It's July and it's fig harvesting time here in Louisiana. Figs are one of the easiest care fruit trees that we can grow. They grow well in just about any type of soil. You want to make sure that it's well drained. And figs also have a very shallow root system. So when we're not getting a lot of rain, you want to make sure that you supplementally irrigate figs. You can also help them out and help retain moisture by adding a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around the root area of the fig. Now, figs will be green in color and the fruit will come on in the spring and they will ripen in July. Pruning is only necessary when you have dead branches that you want to remove out. Figs can be grown in a shrub form or they can be trained to a tree. The shrub form is probably the easiest care, and you want to use just a complete fertilizer in the spring. Now, when pruning fig trees, you want to be careful. If you can see here, when you break the stem, a milky residue comes out. And this can be very irritating to some people and cause dermatitis. So make sure when you're pruning figs or removing leaves that you want to wear long sleeves and make sure you rinse that residue off. Now, figs are just a great treat. They are high in fiber and potassium and iron. So it's, like I said, one of the easiest care trees to grow in Louisiana and provides nutritious fruit for your family. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.